Homemade Vanilla Coffee Frosty recipe, easy and refreshing. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to make a delicious Vanilla Coffee Frosty that's perfect for those warm days or whenever you need a refreshing pick-me-up. Ingredients: 1 cup of brewed coffee, chilled. 1 cup of milk, you can use any type you prefer. 2 tablespoons of vanilla syrup. 2 cups of ice cubes. Whipped cream, optional. Vanilla extract, optional. Instructions. Let's get started. In a blender, add in your chilled brewed coffee. Next, pour in your milk. This will give our frosty a creamy texture. Now, let's add in that sweet vanilla flavor with our vanilla syrup. If you want an extra kick of vanilla, you can also add a splash of vanilla extract. And finally, add in your ice cubes. The ice is what's going to give our frosty that thick and frosty consistency. Now, blend everything together until it's nice and smooth. Ah, look at that creamy goodness. Pour your Vanilla Coffee Frosty into a glass. If you're feeling fancy, top it off with some whipped cream. That's perfect, creamy, refreshing, and with just the right amount of coffee flavor and sweetness. And there you have it, folks. A simple and delicious Vanilla Coffee Frosty that you can make right at home. Give it a try and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more recipes like this. Cheers!
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.